It's about to get muddy here on Monster Truck Classics with the Monster Jam Mystery Mudders. I picked up Max D. He is in Series 3, and this one was at Kohl's. Here is the back of the card with Max D and Son of a Digger. So we're gonna go ahead and put this Max D into the hot water that I have, and we're gonna find out which one it is. Here we go. And it looks like I got the correct version of Max D. I still gotta get some of the mud off the body, but it is the correct version that I wanted to get. And it has a yellow chassis, orange roll cage, and a black body. And you can also tell in the details the different colors on Max D. I'm gonna put them back in. Check out those colors. On the back here, it says Mystery Mudders, and on top, Max D. On the side, we have Max D, Maximum Destruction, Tom Mintz. Here is the number on the truck, MD2-07. On the front, Max D, Maximum Destruction. Different colors of red and blue. I thought this version was really cool to get. On the back, Monster Jam logo. So there you have it. Hopefully this is the code. If you want to get this version, you can get it by using the code on here. So that will end the unboxing here and the reveal of Max D and the Mystery Mudders. Thank you for tuning in.